Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ngasigi blog sidi khoi China ki bullet train gi matang gi blog ne. Ado bullet train je world la ba bullet train je khwai da gi yam seasonary country je China ne ba. Ado je as Beijing da lei ba je Beijing da khoi na aina lei ba city do. Ado bullet train da toi ne ba. Ado bullet train da sat pa do bullet train da ke yawi na traga manung gi interior gi phajaba da gi moi gi facility manung da pi ba jing do iron blog da loina phajana hairage. I know Zigley Hotel there. I'm Tikui Hotel never like Hunan Hotel go. Koigi Tainagi, Chainagi Hanba, Communist Party gi Hanba Chairman Mao Zedong, the Manas Harm Hotel never. Had the Mao Zedong Hunan province they never. Aduna Maze, she hotel the Hunan Hotel go. Had the Hunan gi Beijing had the Hunan gi Mina. Hunan province take like a Mina lane hotel in his have had there. And has the public to open the 5-star hotel in on Tokyo, like I don't know Hunan Hotel go right. Because hotel leave the Tina lead. Still labor Kiki Mams, Quiggy Aribang actor neighbor. Like Quiggy a seas a tiny model never slays. Though I don't on talk about there. Ariba style of them tumble. Okay, the bullet train gi Pasana Ula again. Okay, see you. Bullet train don't like bye. Hi, how's it a railway station here? Beijing railway station, I'm labor. South station, the main station labor. But I know the Beijing South station. This is the high speed train, bullet train at the neighbor. The top station, I'm a main station. I do the slow train at the way. It's number 6. Number 6 says this is the two neighbor. Otherwise, it's the irony. Tungani ado Sigi railway station am thi saw we adi Sigi railway station saw we chang je hadi airport amagi chang da dum saw we hadi am thi saw we haida som na kan da na khoi shopping ke tawam airport ta ka lai bi do dum mane as the lai na mi ngai ne se this is the Changbom gate. Other railway stations, I am me. I'm still living. I am na Heidi Chinese thing. I am na bullet train. Tholok pata gini. We flight that chat nervous. Railway Heidi bullet train. We see na grave like bullet train. Convenient or fighter. Me am still living railway station. She got anti chili. Any railway station could be chili. Okay, railway bullet train. I don't railway station gi manung train tongam dai gi mafam yore Slayer bullet train. The compartment is 4 compartment eva. Sila chang doi ne ado sila changaga kena torni. Slayer si pulap asang ba. Slayer bullet train na mayam na bullet train gi block toro hai ba do Slayer. Kaya dai changaga This layer, 10B. ado ai gi city de wo Beijing da gi kaino ne 3 hours tong da ba ado aseng magi slow train sa da ga di pung 3 mok chang e ba ado bullet sa pani na pung 3 mok tan e sang is like total
超总知道，我跟超总沟通了。
Dear passengers, please do not smoke anywhere on the train. To avoid pet triggering of the smoke detector, affecting the operation of the train, please do not use perfume spray, sunblock spray, hair spray, or any spray-on products. Thank you for your cooperation.
Basically, bullet train di toilet never ado toilet se dom na le toilet se yola ke go basin le setelah toilet di no le toilet se dom na le dom ba mo la ke disabled passenger metro sensor China ki bullet train se koi world ne bullet train se ne je sisiki saruk home thok pi manung da saruk ani je China na season ai hai tar like bullet train ki track se China na khoi yam e world da bullet train se ne je ado like bullet train ki track ka chum na ki train ki track ka chum mana de ba bullet train ki track na mu tong a le like punjan be ade ba ani se tong a sa doi ne China ki bullet train se makhan ani le like koi magnetic ki bullet train ama ka chum na electric ki track ta chen bullet train ama magnetic ki na maglev ko ba city completely sen da di hold ri ba do shanghai da di khar ga sen ba ho re kaino airport ka mai city ka connect to ado Qingdao da ai le city de ma ka Qingdao da city le ado city da kui da na koi 600 km/h thoba maglev hai direct like magnetic ki samna da ba magnet na tauba bullet train ama launch tau bre ba ado maglev city kran nai ani the engine plays a some like bullet train to them like high speed rail hai direct high speed rail ani sing lai yam na le toilet ki kai dei completely yam thina na le the smooth yam thina or speed su 250 km/h de gina 350 km/h mai however ina thom bullet train ma son thau yo mai thong hang to sida hang to ko ga thong na ba thong
那您就不保证问其他问题吗？或者说有其他业务吗？就是说，所以说我的意思，替我们就是这次把这个给它圆过去就行了。佢只 station 啊，我哋卡咩嗰個 station 就每أين تذكر مفهوم سيجي هاي ترى سي ماركت station में हम लेने बा सी station में हम मार्केट खाम लेने बा दो station में हम दा कोई मिनट मंगा दिन खाम दे बा मिनट मंगा खाते ने खाम दे जे बुलेट ट्रेन में लाए我们没说是什么，你看是吧？就帮就是把这个当做正常得了呗。Zibo railway station นั่นสิขาไหมแล้วก็มีน้ำมันขามาก็มีน้ำมันได้เก็บเฮลเลยไปสิได้กี่แล้วมีน้ำมันขามานี่มีน้ำมันขามาก็ต้องทอร์น
Train खामदोरे कोई स्टेशन मनाक्ता the train से खाममदाइदा हना ready तहौद्रदि मिनट मगा खतनी न नंगदेबा अना खाममदाइदा ready तौरे luggage ले दसि हुमदोरे खामनी 5 minutes station yore ado ai di kumore ado si 5 minute ha maga si bullet train jang thograni ticket sing sai chang mada check tawgidna ado thok padu jum check tawrani aduga okay exit tar Yore, mapan thok le. Sile railway station. Yeah, mana khui China ki railway station ja. Post wai type like airport ki type ta. Si jang. Do ka sai ki Beijing gi do na budi khara he le chaw ba. Still si dum chaw ba. Si mang the bus ma yang kha me do. Bus khui ki university over bus line lo tar ga chatlani. बस में हम लाइजे अदो अखोई सिटी यौरमनिना ब्लॉग से लोइसलगे ओके मथंगी ब्लॉग को थेंगनारसी okay see you guys in the next vlog bye